My name is Spencer Summers, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery at Hospital for Special Surgery in West Palm Beach, Florida. I see patients of all age ranges, whether they're young adults or senior citizens. Anybody with a hip or knee issue, they're welcome to come and see me in the office. I specialize in hip and knee replacement surgeries, and my particular focus of my practice is in minimally invasive anterior hip replacement surgeries, as well as robotic knee replacements. Anterior hip replacements have been around for a very long time, but they've gained a lot more popularity in the last few decades because of the faster recovery that most patients have and the decreased pain that they have in the first few weeks after surgery. The ultimate benefit from the anterior hip is really in the lower risk of dislocation of a hip, which to this day is still the number one reason for a redo or revision hip replacement surgery. Nowadays, we can offer the anterior approach in essentially two options. You can have the standard anterior approach, or we can do what's called the bikini incision, which most patients do prefer because it's cosmetically a little more attractive. Robotic surgery has been a great advance for orthopedics. Our goal when we're doing a hip or knee replacement is to be extremely precise with our target, okay? So number one, robots help us define what our target is, particularly in knee replacement. It lets us create a 3D model of the knee and then figure out the best place to put the implant so that the patient's knee is the happiest at the end of the case. And it lets us carry out the plan that we develop to customize the knee replacement surgery for each patient. To see success in a patient as a physician is the reason why we get up and we do this job every day. My goal as a physician is to improve the lives of all the patients that I come across. And while I like to think that we do that every time, to get that affirmation of seeing a patient who's happy, who's back to playing pickleball or playing a round of golf every day, it really makes my day, and it's the reason why we do this.